Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the new feature where Microsoft introduced the ability to explode an assembly BOM linked to the item card into a project planning line. So my name is Jenn Claridge. I'm the Vice President of the ERP practice here at Sabre. And at Sabre, we specialize in manufacturing, specifically in engineer to order. So this is a great feature that we see lots of our customers could leverage. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the software here. So I'm in my Kronos Canada company, and I will just take a look at an item. And I just got off my Eras tour at Summit. So I'm seeing here that I've got a drum kit. I can see that this is an assembly item, and it's got an assembly BOM associated to the item. So traditionally, I would need to either add just the drum kit item 45226 to a BOM planning line. That would be useful in the instance where I was going to assemble this kit in advance. I was going to stock it on the shelf and then just consume it into my project when I need it. With the ability to be able to take this assembly drum kit and associate a bill of material in advance, I can essentially create the kits as little templates or in advance, and then I can blow out and list all of the components individually on my planning lines so that I could go and do my procurement. I could take those items from inventory or I could purchase those. So again, it's associated to an item card. You can set it up in advance, and then you'll see that we're able to embed this into our project planning lines. So I'm going to open up a project here. Project. Here I've got my world tour, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'll say that this is going to be something that I'll put on my steel assembly cage. It doesn't really matter here. But then I'm going to open up my job planning lines. So here we can see that I had added the drum kit to my project planning lines. We've always been able to do this. Again, it's an item, it's an assembly item. It's intended to be something where I'm going to create an assembly order separate from my project. I would list the assembly BOM, and then I would post that assembly order to increase the on hand for the 45226. So essentially, I'm managing the components outside of the project. I would be required to post that output, have it on hand so that I could consume it into a job. What I'll do now is under Actions, Functions, Explode BOM, the system has taken the drum kit line, it's converted it to a text line with a quantity of 0, and then the bass drum, the drum stool, the hi-hat, the snare, the crash cymbal, it has exploded out to indicate that I'll need 2 of each of these. And now what I could do is I could go and, like I said, purchase, assemble, produce, consume, all the ways I can handle these lines individually for my project. If I had resource lines inside the assembly BOM, that is all supported as well. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Click here to follow our channel, and click here for more great videos.